Meaning of half-light.
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 Half-light. Half-light refers to a state of partial illumination where an area is not fully lit or completely dark. It can describe the quality of light during dawn or dusk, where the sun is only partially visible, casting a subdued light. The phrase can also describe indoor lighting that is not too bright but creates a subtle ambience. In general, half-light creates an atmosphere that is serene and calming, allowing for a sense of tranquility and reflection. Overall, it conveys a gentle and subdued feeling that is both peaceful and comforting.